This 2019 Newmar Dutch Star 4328 is a Class A RV. It is located in Winter Garden, FL 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This used Newmar is 43 feet 9 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, a Seapearl Decor, custom London Aire Solid Surfaces interior, sleeps 4, air conditioning, slideout, TV, leveling jacks, self-contained, external shower, stovetop burner, awning, and 105 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bath and a half, front entertainment, front living area, full wall slide, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bath, rear bedroom, rear entertainment. This 2019 Newmar Dutch Star 4328 is built on a Freightliner XCR chassis and is powered by a Cummins ISL 450 HP engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.